failure of a motion to dismiss outright the crimes against humanity case at the get-go. Then a petition to disqualify two ICC judges adjudicating the case that went nowhere, as well as a pleading to move the detained former president to a third-party country, which miserably imploded. So this time, the former president's legal team is so desperate it seeks to use a flawed declaration of a Senate committee report chaired by a staunch Duterte diehard as grounds for dismissal, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
He should do better than that. He should concentrate on his defenses. He should concentrate on the allegations and admissions of the former president of his killings, and that he ordered the killings of some people in relation to war on drugs.
This was the message of Malacanang on the plan of former President Rodrigo Duterte's defense team to submit to the International Criminal Court the findings of Senate Committee on Foreign Relations, which says the arrest of the former president is politically maneuvered. According to Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro, instead of being helpful, the move might exacerbate the case of Duterte. The Palace also believes that the ICC judges are not blind to see the truth. It also insisted that the Marcos administration is hands-off on Duterte's ICC case.
He should also remember that this case was filed as early as 2017. So wala pa po si Pangulong Marcos, ang administrasyon na ito, para po ibintang ang mga ganitong klase sa kasalukuyang administrasyon.
Yusek Castro advised Nicolas Kaufman, Duterte's lawyer, to do more research on facts so he will not be misled. The ICC today confirmed the prosecution's disclosure of 1,253 items of evidence against Duterte. Meanwhile, the palace also has a message to the statement of Elizabeth Zimmerman, Duterte's former wife, saying the former president is already butot balat or 210 inside ICC detention.
Sinabi niya na pumayat, yes, pero mukhang healthy, ayon sa kanya. At he's okay. Ang sabi pa nga daw ng dating Pangulo ay, you go home. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Malacanang also responded to the statement of Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, saying that Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial is a witch hunt.
Tama po yung dating sinabi ni Senator Chis Escudero na umiwas sa ganitong mga klaseng mga pananaw. Dahil minsan nakikita kung saan sila kumikiling. Unang-una, witch hunt ang sinasabi nila tungkol sa impeachment trial ni hindi pa nga po nakakapag-start ng trial.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.